Jane's not back yet, so my dog's just gonna have to fucking deal with it.
It's a couple of minutes. It'll be fine.
You joining us, Gabe?
Yep, I'm on my way. I just had to drop stuff off.
What time is it now?
Forge with Chooch
10 o'clock, 10:30.
I have time to pee and then do some farming. Okay, be right back.
Nice.
Ooh, let me double check. Good, I do have the anti-rad on my baton. Good.
I was wondering why my
There's gonna be some coming down. Just come down. Go through the door, please. Go through the door, please.
I was tabbed out.
It's not a good time to tab out.
I said I was tabbing out. Well, I implied I was tabbing out. Oh, these guys are fine.
Might be coming from behind.
Yeah, I hear them too. Maybe they're just outside.
No, they're in there. They're trying to break out through the balcony.
Oh.
It's an irradiated stuck in. Oh.
He's gone. He's gone.
He's had enough.
I don't blame you. I'm just saying, don't waste ammo.
I didn't want him to get up and hit any of us.
Yeah.
My name is Slacker Funboy. This is 7 Days to Die Cycle's End. The object of the game: to survive. As I log into the game, Dirty Farmer, Superdoe, and Gabe are all doing quests. I, however, have one thing on my mind: farming.
Those are some of the toughest guys.
The alpha, the whites, I think.
Yeah, the whites with the irradiated
Trust
whites
me.
are gonna be tough to kill.
Trust me, I remember. You recall when they wiped our whole fucking team like 3 times, one single one?
Drop and a half.
It's real hard to hit more than one zombie at once, considering how easy it is to hit your friend than a zombie at once.
You can hit your friend, you can hit your heart, but you can't hard your friend's heart.
That was technically a sentence, I think.
Set there, and now we've got 4 more.
Well, this is
I
gonna
guess
be
it's
interesting,
fairly-
fellas.
Oh. Well, maybe here. Hang on. I have some wood shapes. I'll make a ladder going more.
What's
I'm
gonna
gonna knock out this one here.
What's gonna be interesting?
Oh, we're in an elevator.
It's real tight space.
Did somebody
I
fart?
gotta pee. I gotta pee.
Pee in the corner. As I farm, I take some time to notice how Dirty Farmer's been building his base.
I need to drink some water or something.
I see you've been working on your base and that you have about a dozen water filters, Noel. Nice. How many do we have, Gabe?
5 or 6.
Happy International Shade Throwing.
I mean, it's
Day,
not
guys.
a dozen, is it?
What the hell?
You're not a dozen.
That's true.
Oh, that's the final loot room.
Oh, which means this is our final.
Yeah, this
stand.
is gonna be nuts.
The final countdown?
Jump up. Yeah, I'm just gonna activate. You guys want to go up top already? I'm gonna get activated and basically go to the top. This is basically how I want to do a blood moon base on. You guys will be able to see perfectly why.
Do you want me to sneak and then
No.
try and get one? Okay. Oh, yep. There. Yep. Woohoo!
Zippity zoopity zap.
Yeah, the blood moon base that I'm stuck.
Away.
You have to jump. You have to jump.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
falling.
Jumping. No, really? Are you back on the ladder? Okay.
Down, boy. Down, boy. My penetrator perk, it works great.
Okay, so approximately how long would you say it takes to get to your winter base?
5 minutes, maybe between 5 and 10. If you find a good path, 5.
Yeah, there's some, I took like the weird right scuff path up the snow biome. If you stay a little bit left, you find a better road.
Yeah. There's one that goes right across the mountains.
You have to go a little bit too far right, like not that much far. You have to go over kind of a big mountain. There's a path through it at least, but you do have to go quite a bit of windiness.
Oh, you're a trader. Oh, you got this from like a different town.
With my farming done, I start equipping myself for the upcoming blood moon and the 4-kilometer trip I need to take just to get there.
Don't believe anybody did.
I think I'm gonna take a drive out to this supposed base. Did you share the location of this place? Is it north? Oh, there it is. Holy crap. I'm gonna head out now because I've never even been there.
How did this person get in? No, messy.
Do they have a key?
Yep.
Access security card? Oh crap, I'm still wearing farmer armor. God damn it.
Like Nolan was saying, hit the road a little bit more to the west to, honestly, exactly north from where Nolan's Tier 5 quest is where the start of the good path is.
Gabe, can you bring a stack of 10 water or something for me to drink?
Yep.
Thank you.
I find it funny, the guy with a dozen water things is asking for water.
Is this gonna be a
Can't
problem?
always be at base.
That is true.
Oh, it sounds like it is.
Sounds like Dwayne just wants to pick fights today.
Yeah, it sounds like Dwayne doesn't want to survive this blood moon, if you know what I mean.
Oh, smashing into a tree stump, falling in the lake. There's a lady of the evening on this dirt path in the middle of the forest.
Ooh.
We call them, sons of the soil.
Huh.
Then out of nowhere, tragedy strikes. Actually, this path is pretty. Oh. What
Gab.
happened, Gab?
Nope.
Many, many guys.
Oh.
The Gabby gangbangers.
Oh, yeah. Really?
Alain?
Oh, God, this.
En français? Alain? Oui?
Oui.
You know you speak good French when you say français.
En français? En française? You gotta know your accents. There's accent aigu, accent grave, accent sear cornflakes.
Can't forget the cornflakes.
This path, honestly, I just keep going north and you'll reach the real good path, Dad.
Yeah, I think I went up the bad path, so I'm gonna go down the mountain and take this other path that seems
Yes.
to go through the mountain
Honestly,
range.
northwest is where the really good path is, and I gotta be honest, it's a lot of fun to drive on.
They can stay there.
Do you get
Oh, I found a
implies
path.
that they're supposed to have been humans at one point.
I think when the zombie apocalypse got the Yeti population, it impacted them and they became the plague spitters. They formed an alliance with the bees. No, that's not them. That's the mummies. The mummies came back to life and formed an alliance with the bees.
Right.
Huh. This is a pretty interesting little town here.
Oh yeah, Gabe. What the goddamn?
If it's gonna thunder,
This was me killing everybody trying to get to my
I see
bag.
the winter bottle.
I see.
I just don't know where the blood moon base is.
well, you gotta head to it, buddy. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
I mean, come to me if you really need to, but I did share a quest marker.
Yeah.
Or a quest marker, a map marker.
Does fire hurt these frost guys?
No,
Can it?
that's the blood moon.
You don't tell me what it is.
Yeah, my dad.
Yeah.
You're not my dad.
Is the blood moon? How do you know?
I don't know. We'll know in like 5 minutes. It'll start thundering, and
I
then.
already heard the thunder.
Are you guys insane?
Okay, it's a blood moon.
Does anybody know when the blood moon is?
It's now. It's tonight. There's the plague spitter or the frost spitter.
Oh my god, it's the blood.
Color frost.
I don't know what that was. I'm not quite sure what I just heard.
Yeah, but I go.
Yeah, a scat. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, 6767.
667. I gotta get
Oh my
to the
God.
blood moon and not. You know, I'm curious.
6-7 is like the most brain rot fucking. I don't even know how you know about that.
67, bro.
I feel like I'm too old to know about 6-7.
This place has
Here
a
we are.
has a bus stop and everything.
I don't want to forget anything. Do I have everything I need? Oh boy, oh boy, oh
I've got
boy,
a
oh
mountain
boy.
path in the northwest. I think this is what you're
Yes, keep going northwest though, and then you'll reach the real version.
Bullets,
of
we
the
got
mountain
meds.
The real Slim Shady.
We roll.
pass. That's right. Keep going northwest, Jamie, and you'll reach the proper path.
It's the warehouse.
Yeah.
Gotta have a tier 5 clear right beside that trader up there. There's a really cool POI heading north. There's a couple cool quarries.
Jesus.
Where are we going to fight these things? On the top here?
Yeah.
You did a
I
good job.
couldn't do a full version of what Nolan was talking about, but there are some ladders that will bring them.
You get the
up
idea
to
though, that
hopefully
elevator shaft
concentrate.
really illustrated how
Oh,
effective.
100%. I just don't know how to.
Yeah, I'm working on
What?
my, don't worry about it, because it's like kind of like, I
Right
mean,
here?
I'm going to claim it as my idea, and I want to build the blood moon base for it, so don't,
Really?
you know,
I'm
stress
excited.
about it.
Yeah, that'll
Yeah.
be fun.
Oh, the
That's kinda why I
zombies
built
are
my own
climbing
base.
up though. You see that on the other side?
Who's climbing up?
The zombie. Look on the other side of that little walkway.
How?
Do you feel? Dude, anybody want some maple syrup? I just picked up 22 liters.
How much?
Right there.
Yes.
I got 1 liter bottles.
1 liter.
And nice amber stuff.
Yeah,
Keep it
yeah.
dark if you like that.
I'm down for sure. Bring it to the game.
Absolutely.
Alright. I won't be at next game, dude.
I look forward to the zombies tearing this base down.
I'd be, you know, if this base survives, I'd be okay doing this again. I just kind of wish there was a birdcage, but,
You see why I don't have one though.
yeah, like, well, no, I don't. Like, you could make it.
So what's the easy way up here?
I don't know. I think that our farmer who waited 3 weeks before growing anything could make a birdcage next time.
Oh, no. It just takes 3 weeks to get seeds to mass production level.
I get that. You gotta wait a certain amount of cycles to kind of get like the.
Right.
You know, it's
Are you
interesting
basically
though.
using food to make seeds, right? To get to a critical.
Right,
mass?
and that's kind of what I've been doing. So I grow all my potatoes, turn that all into seeds, get another batch growing. I just
Make no
started.
mistake in thinking that I don't know how that works because I was farmer last time. I'm talking about how there was like 300 rotting flesh in our farming chests that you didn't touch for I think 2 weeks straight.
Shit.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's been 18 days, which is holy.
Yeah.
This is a build-up kind of.
I guess he's got all this emotional damage.
Yeah, all right, Shade Queen. This is a build-up kind of base, Jamie.
It was the ladies of the night.
Yeah.
They sucked his memories out and. Where are you, Jamie? Are you up here?
I'm Somewhere on the roof.
I don't know where he is. Oh, he's across the street from us.
Jamie!
What's that over there, Glenn? Trying to think about where my escape plan's gonna be in case that needed.
I know where my bike is.
Far away.
Yeah, my bike's in my toolbar, but I mean, I could always just run and maybe climb up the side of the silo.
Oh, there's a loot bag down there. Yeah, I got time.
Yeah, you got loads of time. Or I just get on my bike and drive.
Okay, everybody, remember your learning elixirs. Repair your weapons if they're in bad repair.
Your safe words.
Yeah, fix your face and pay attention.
Prepare your safe words. That's right. I built the pillar last, so this bridge will stay on its own if the pillar gets destroyed. It's mostly just for something for them to attack and focus on. Godspeed.
Let me know where you see them.
Not here.
Got some
Not
guys on
south.
the northwest and a radiated fatty.
Northwest, you said?
Or,
Oh,
northwest.
Oh yeah. There's a radiated white, I think. There's a flaming radiated white on the left.
2 orange radiates, 3 orange radiated, coming from the west.
Ooh, orange ones, eh? Oh yeah.
Yeah, multiple orange ones. Make that stick.
I'm glad I'm colorblind. I don't have to worry about what color they are.
Glowing dicks.
Are you actually fully colorblind?
No.
You think you'd see the difference between green and orange?
In this game, probably not.
Jamie, what the hell are you using? Don't those do a lot of block damage?
Oh, purple bag!
Yeah, Jamie, exploding arrows do like 6 times the amount of block damage of any other.
Why shouldn't have made this out of cobblestone?
Yeah, it's your fault for that.
I have contact grenades that I throw directly at you. We're the first blue radiated zombie on the second floor over there.
I only have 5 more left.
Headshot him, but he didn't knock it out.
So I didn't consider the possibility that they would just get into this bridge so
You guys
easily.
over there move to the middle of it, and they're right above it. It'd be easy to shoot them if you guys are.
Oh fuck!
Who?
Okay, who did that?
Who shot that? Jamie?
Jamie.
Gabe, I don't know how to help you.
You build up, Gabe? I don't know where Gabe went. Where's Gabe?
Did
Yep.
Gabe did you?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh man. Who shot a scary guy?
I'm using arrows, so it wasn't me.
I'm very good at
Directly
getting shots,
below me,
so
too.
unless I really on purpose wanted to shoot it, it wouldn't work.
And did you want to shoot it on purpose?
Him running around and like, oh god, burn!
How was it like legitimately only the blocks I was on? That's fucking nuts.
Yeah, it's divine comedy. You definitely may want to heal though.
I didn't, you literally moved
I
over
don't
top
have any
of it,
meds.
Gabe. Like,
You're
weren't
the
there when
medic.
you shot it.
I said I don't have meds.
I'm
Yeah,
infected from that bird.
Oh really? Sucks.
I have honey in the trap.
I just killed this guy before
Oh,
he
you just
came
shot
here
me?
before.
Oh no, the top. That one wasn't me. The middle bridge is starting to follow whoever's in the
Gotta
middle.
be honest, that one might have accidentally been me trying to kill it.
I left my bandages in the truck.
Are you bleeding?
No. If I kill a zombie, I stop bleeding.
I think they're all in the building. Hey. Easy, Tabaknak.
Unfortunately, the bridge is no longer a place that makes sense for any of them to go.
Yeah.
Yep, we got some in the building.
That was a waste of
Fuck.
What happened?
You good?
time. We have
Come on, zombies. We're back on the bridge. Oh, he's coming after me right away. I'm not gonna go into the building. That was almost really stupid of me. Now that there's blocks they can go across, they like the bridge because they can get to the rest of the buildings on the bridge, I guess. Oh shit. How did that happen?
Ah!
I need a drink, I need a drink. Who lit me on fire?
Do you have a drink, Nolan?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. Whew, sorry about that. I guess that I could throw
Oh,
grenades down there, okay, but not Molotovs.
I got a broken bone now, too.
I just got a leg sprain from being spit on.
Did you really?
A bird is stuck in the building.
You thought that I was jumping up the block.
Ow! Hey!
What?
Getting spit on.
Here, Gabe.
Oh, true. Will work even better.
Ah! Now I'm infected. Got honey though.
No, please stop moving for a second.
Oops, sorry.
There we go.
Thank you. Still have a broken bone, but that's fine.
I didn't bring any splints. I didn't think broken bones were going to be in the...
You got a broken
Back
bone,
on
Nolan?
Today.
I didn't bring any. Oh, I did. Hang on.
This one,
Holy
give it to
fuck.
you.
You
Oh
don't-
yeah, I can insta-heal it. Fuck.
Yeah, these cops are like the
Okay,
bane of
ready?
our existence right now.
Where did I put him? There you go.
Fuck the police.
Yeah, what the hell?
Slacker, dude.
Is it for sprains?
No, generally it's just for broken.
Oh, okay.
Just not
Oh,
infected
shit.
further injury.
I thought that was a guy up here, but it was just the purple guy. Just Gabe running around. Whew.
We just hit. Oh, I fell. There was a hole that I didn't see because unfortunately the bridge looks like holes.
I haven't seen any of the frost guys this blood moon. I'm gonna have to go fight one after.
Ooh, right there.
Ooh.
Blue
I muted
blower.
myself because my mom came to talk to me and I fully did not unmute ever.
All right, time to fire a gun.
Yeah, this blood moon base fucking sucks. I don't know who made it, but like,
I don't mind going back on back to snow biome, yeah.
Yeah, I think we could do better, but it's a good start.
We're still alive, none of us have died, so...
Yeah.
I didn't expect we
Base.
moved the bridge so quick.
I'm assuming the
Oh,
blue
fuck.
run.
And then a separate platform for Jamie so he can throw his Molotovs.
Yeah.
You're good, no one's attacking your pillar. Now that all this debris is around, it's actually easier to kill the zombies. Gabe. Jim.
What happened there?
Oh, they're dropping like flies. Jim, run!
Run for your life!
My leg's broken. I'm not running anywhere.
Run,
Standing
Jimmy!
your ground isn't gonna do anything. I'm trying to hold him off, but
Oh!
Yeah, no,
Superdoe,
if I would
what
have
did
known
you
your
do?
leg
You
was
killed him.
broken.
Oh no!
Mercy kill.
oh, exactly. I didn't want you to turn into one of them.
Well, it's morning.
Yeah, good thing all of the blue zombies are gonna despawn when.
Are they?
Nope.
Be cooler if they did.
Sounds like someone else just got into a car accident too. There's some skirting going on outside my house.
Can we tell him it's time to go?
Send him a memo.
You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
Jamie.
What had? Did he fall again?
He's just trying to take him with this thing. I'm trying to help him out with my little bow and arrow, but
I appreciate that.
Wow. I will say, very well done holding your own against a radiated alpha white whatever with your with nothing but your fucking blood, yeah.
Oh, I need one. Oh,
Really nothing but my club.
oh, you jump up on and take damage.
Careful, Nolan. Guys incoming. Guys in courtyard.
I take one blue and one yellow. And I'm gonna leave. Will I? Maybe I will test my luck a little with some melee against a blue.
it's a lot of fun.
He did die. No, he didn't die. Now he
The
died.
person who told me was
We reach the end of a brutal and deadly blood moon, then head back to base.
Where are you so I can witness,
Looking for a
There you
frost
go.
claw?
let's go find a frost cloud together. Ooh, there you go. Made up for it.
Find me a frost claw. Let me know if you find one.
They're everywhere, dude. Just look around through the streets. They're like all in the city and shit. Are you running or biking?
I'm on my motorcycle.
What in
I'm
the
on my
world?
motorcycle. I'm on my motorcycle. I'm on my motorcycle. Ooh. Oh, is that him up ahead?
Yes, sir.
oh, rocket.
Gabe, I don't have enough money and I'll pay you back, but could you come over to Trader Hugh and buy a crucible if you have enough money?
I probably don't. I only have 5k.
There you go. Hey, settle down, boy. Settle down.
And with that frost killer, that frost claw kill, you just got me one last level.